Hari Om students, all of you are obeying the instructions given by our government for our safety. You practice physical distancing by avoiding unnecessary travel. Today, what is the meaning of the saying? Silently hear everyone, accept what is good, reject and forget what is not. This is intelligent living. സ്വാമിജി പറഞ്ഞിരിക്കുന്നതാണ് സൈലന്റ്ലി ഹിയർ എവരി വൺ. നമ്മൾ എല്ലാവരെയും നിശബ്ദമായി കേൾക്കുക. ആരെന്തെങ്കിലും നമ്മളോട് ആരെങ്കിലും സംസാരിച്ച് പറയുന്ന കാര്യങ്ങൾ നിശബ്ദമായി നമ്മൾ കേൾക്കുക. എന്നിട്ട് അതിൽ നല്ലത് മാത്രം സ്വീകരിക്കുക, അല്ലാത്തത് നമ്മൾ നിരസിക്കുക. അതാണ് ബുദ്ധിപരമായ ജീവിതം. ഒരാൾ നമ്മളോട് സംസാരിച്ചാൽ അത് നിശബ്ദമായിട്ട് നമ്മളത് മുഴുവൻ കേൾക്കണം. അതെല്ലാം നമ്മൾ ഉൾക്കൊള്ളണമെന്നില്ല. അത് നല്ലത് മാത്രം നമ്മൾ സ്വീകരിക്കുക, അല്ലാത്തത് നമ്മൾ നിരസിക്കുക. അങ്ങനെയുള്ളതാണ് നമ്മൾ ബുദ്ധിപരമായി ജീവിക്കേണ്ടത്. അങ്ങനെയാണ്. ഓക്കെ, യെസ്റ്റർഡേ വി സ്റ്റഡീഡ് ഹൗ ടു the angle sum property of a triangle. What is the angle sum property of a triangle? Arun Sai. The sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Today we can study one more theorem. Exterior angle property. Exterior angle. Look here, this is a triangle. Triangle ABC. A, B, C. Triangle ABC. Then I am extending this side BC. Then we get an exterior angle of a triangle. Exterior angle of a triangle. We can name it as. Then here triangle ABC. This is a triangle ABC. The exterior angle is angle ACD. Then this exterior angle is equal to sum of the interior opposite angles. What are the interior opposite angles here? The interior opposite angles are angle BAC and angle ABC. So angle ACD is equal to angle BAC plus angle ABC. Here angle ACD is equal to angle ABC plus angle BAC. This is called exterior angle property. That is, exterior angle is equal to, if you take any exterior angle, if you extend any side, then the one exterior angle is formed. Then exterior angle is equal to sum of its interior opposite angles. Exterior angle of a triangle. Exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of its interior opposite angles. Sum of its interior opposite angles. So exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of its interior opposite angles. Here the exterior angle is angle ACD. So it is equal to angle BAC plus angle ABC. These are the two interior opposite angles. So the exterior angle is equal to sum of the other interior opposite angles. So here angle ACD is equal to angle ABC plus angle BAC. So this is the exterior angle theorem. Exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of its interior opposite angles. Okay. Next question. Find the value of x in the following figure. Here triangle ABC is given and the exterior angle is equal to x. Then we already studied that what is the property of the exterior angle. Here what is the property of exterior angle? Exterior angle is equal to sum of its interior opposite angles. So here what is x? We know that exterior angle is equal to sum of its interior opposite angles. So what is the exterior angle here? Here the exterior angle is x. So x is equal to what are the interior opposite angles here? Angle BAC plus angle ABC. What is the measure of angle BAC here? BAC is equal to 40 degree. Then angle ABC is 60 degree. So it is equal to 100. So what is the value of x? X is equal to 100. So the exterior angle is equal to sum of its interior opposite angles. So if the interior opposite angles are given, we are asked to find the exterior angle of it. What we do? We add these two angles. Therefore, exterior angle is equal to sum of its interior opposite angles, and therefore x is equal to angle BAC plus angle ABC. That is 40 degree plus 60 degree. That is equal to 100 degree. So what is the value of x? Therefore, x is equal to 100 degree. Next question. Two angles of a triangle are equal and the third angle is greater than each one of them by 18 degree. Find the angles. Here two angles of the triangle are equal. Let the equal angles be x. We can take the equal angles as x. Let the equal angles is equal to x. Then it is given that the third angle is greater than each one of them by 18 degree. Then what is the third angle? Third angle is equal to x plus 18. X plus 18. Then find the angles. Here the two angles are of measure x and the third angle is x plus 18. Then you are asked to find the angles. What we do? We know that by angle sum property of a triangle, sum of the three angles of the triangle is 180 degree. Therefore, x plus two angles are x and x plus x plus 18 is equal to 180 degree. What is the reason? By angle sum property of triangle. You write the reason also. By angle sum property of a triangle. What is the angle sum property of a triangle, Fajas? Angle sum property, sum of all the angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. So x plus 18 is equal to the sum of the three angles. Two angles are x and x, and third angle is x plus 18. So x plus 18 is equal to 180 degrees. That is x plus x is 3x plus 18 equals 180 degree. Then what is 3x? 180 degree minus 80. Parvati, what is 180 minus 80? 162. Then what is x? X equal 162 by 3. That is equal to 54 degree. Therefore, the two equal angles are 54 degree. Then what is the third angle? Therefore, the third angle is equal to x plus 18. It is equal to x plus 18. So it is equal to 54 plus 18. That is equal to 72 degree. Therefore, what are the angles? Therefore, the three angles of the triangle are 54, 54 and 72. Here it is given that the equal angles are, two angles are equal and the third angle is equal to, greater than each one of them by 18 degrees. So the third angle is x plus 18. Then by angle sum property of a triangle, we know that sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. That is x plus 18 is equal to 180 degree. Then 3x plus 18 is equal to 180 degree. Then what is 3x? 3x is equal to 162. Then x is equal to 162 by 3. That is equal to 54 degree. Therefore, the third angle is equal to x plus 18. That is equal to 72 degree. Therefore, the three angles are what are the angles? 54 degree and 72 degree. The three angles are 54 degree and 72 degree. Okay. Next question. the sum of the angles of a triangle is equal to its third angle. Determine the measure of the third angle. Sum of the two angles of a triangle. Sum of the two angles of a triangle is equal to the third angle. Determine the measure of the third angle. So we can take the angles as, let the angles be x, y and z. Then what is x plus y plus z? The angles be x, Kailas, x plus y plus z is equal to 180 degree, because by angle sum property of a triangle. Angle sum property of a triangle. The sum of the angles in a triangle is 180 degree. Therefore, x plus y plus z is 180 degree. Then it is given that sum of the two angles of a triangle is equal to the third angle. Therefore, we can take x plus y is equal to z. That is given in your question. Given. The reason is given because it is given that sum of the two angles of a triangle is equal to the third angle. Therefore, x plus y is equal to z. Then here x plus y plus z is equal to 180. Then we can substitute here x plus y plus z is equal to 180 degree. Then we can, instead of this x plus y, we can put z, because x plus y is equal to z. Or we can write it as, or z plus z is equal to 180 degree. What is the reason? Because x plus y is equal to z. So instead of this x plus y, we put z. Then z plus z is 2z is equal to 180 degree. Then what is z? Therefore, z equals 180 by 2. Now what is 180 by 2? It is equal to 90 degrees. So what is the measure of the third angle? Therefore, the third angle is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, the third angle is equal to 90 degree. That is, here it is given that the sum of the two angles of a triangle is equal to the third angle. That is, the angles we take the angles as x, y and z. Then x plus y plus z is 180 degree, because the angle sum property of a triangle. Then x plus y is equal to z. Why? It is given in your question. Then if x plus y plus z is equal to 180, we can put x, instead of this x plus y, we put z. Therefore, z plus z is equal to 180 degree. Then what is 2z? 2z is 180 degree. Therefore, z is equal to 180 by 2. That is equal to 90 degree. Then what is the measure of the third angle? Therefore, the third angle is equal to 90 degree. Next question. In the following figure, find the value of x. Here, triangle ABC is given, and these angles are 100 degree. Angle ABD is equal to 100 degree and angle AC is equal to 110 degree. Then can you say the measure of angle ABC? Here, angle ADB is equal to 100 degree. Then what is angle ABC? Another angle ABC. What is that? Here this angle is angle ABD. ABD is not ADB. Angle ABD is equal to the vertex is B. So angle ABD is equal to 100 degree. Then what is the measure of angle ABC? Angle ABC is equal to 180 minus 100, because they are linear pair. These two angles are linear pair. Therefore, angle ABC is equal to 180 minus 100. That is equal to 80 degree. What is the reason? Linear pair. They are linear pair. Therefore, and sum of the angles in a linear pair is 180 degree. So, if one angle is 100 degree, the other angle is 180 minus 100. That is 80 degree. Similarly, what is the measure of angle AC there? Look at the figure. Angle ACE is equal to 110 degree. Angle AC is equal to 110 degree. Then, what is the measure of angle ACB? Arevu. Angle ACB is equal to, here these are also linear pairs. So if this angle is 110 degree, to find this angle, this is equal to 180 minus 100. Therefore, angle ACB is equal to 180 minus 110. That is equal to 70 degree. The reason is linear pair. Linear pair. Then here we are asked to find the value of x. Then in triangle ABC, what are the three angles? Triangle ABC, this angle is 80 degree and this angle is 70 degree. We know that sum of the angles in a triangle is 180 degree. Therefore in triangle ABC, 80 degree plus 70 degree plus x is equal to 180 degree. Triangle ABC, 80 degree plus 70 degree plus x is equal to 180 degree. Such what is the result? By angle sum property of a triangle. Angle sum property of a triangle. Angle sum property of a triangle. Therefore, the sum of the angles in a triangle is 180 degree. Therefore, 80 degree plus 70 degree plus x is equal to 1. Then what is x? 80 plus 70 is 150 degree plus x is equal to 180 degree. Then what is x? Therefore, x is equal to 180 degree minus 150 degree. Therefore, x is equal to 30 degree. X is equal to 30 degree. Therefore, here angle ABD is equal to 100 degree. Then angle ABC is equal to 180 minus 100. That is 80 degree. Linear pair. Then angle AC is equal to 110 degree. Therefore, this angle is equal to 180 minus 110. That is 70 degree. Therefore, in triangle ABC, 80 degree plus 70 degree plus x is equal to 180 degree. That because they are angle sum property of a triangle. Sum of the angles in a triangle is 180 degree. Then 150 degree plus x is equal to 180. Therefore, what is x? X equals 180 minus 150. That is equal to 30 degree. Therefore, what is the value of x? Here x is equal to 30 degree. Next question. In the following figure, find the value of x. Here in triangle PQR, one angle is given and the exterior angle is angle PRS is equal to exterior angle what is the angle? Angle PRS is equal to 120 degree and one of its interior opposite angle is angle PQR is equal to 50 degree. You are asked to find the other exterior opposite angle. We already studied that. What is the exterior angle property, Shubhang? Exterior angle is equal to sum of its interior opposite angles. Exterior angle is equal to sum of its interior opposite angles. Sum of its interior opposite angles. Therefore, what is the exterior angle here? Here that is equal to 120 degree is equal to 120 degree is equal to x plus 50 degree. Or x plus 50 degree is equal to 120 degree. Then what is x? X is equal to Srihari 120 degree minus 50 degree. That is equal to 70 degree. So by exterior angle property we know that exterior angle is equal to sum of its interior opposite angles. Here one interior opposite angle is given and the exterior angle is given. So to find the other angle, we use the property exterior angle is equal to sum of its interior opposite angles. Therefore, exterior angle is 120 degree is equal to x plus 50 degree. The interior opposite angles are x and 50. Therefore, or we can write x plus 50 degree is equal to 120 degree. Then what is x? X is equal to 120 degree minus 50 degree. That is equal to 70 degree. Therefore, the value of x is equal to 70 degree. So you remember the exterior angle property. The exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of its interior opposite angles. You remember it, okay? We can do more questions in the next class. Assignments will be given through Google Classroom. Thank you and Hari Om.